Hello everybody. Today I want to show everybody the roasted pepper. I also want to do outside with my barbecue, but it's too cold, it's wind. And I don't want to know, when it's wind the gas is not go good. And I want to try to do on the stove. And I got over here one, but I did this. And I want to try to do on the stove, on the top of the stove. But see one you can do in the oven. Okay, now we put the gas on, and the flame is not gonna be really strong, and make sure you have something like this, but not, make sure it's not plastic. This it's steel. The one you turn, you don't want the plastic burn all over the place. Now, one time this you start, and you gotta make sure to turn once in a while, like this. You wait to make the color start to burn the skin after you turn. It's not hard to do. It's really easy. I think maybe a lot of people it did already like this. I don't want to say I showed it to you. You say, "Oh, Pasquale, I did already like that." But a lot of people you don't know to do, and I want to show. You see? And you turn on the other side, and you do like this. After this is done, okay, it's so nice, all the skin, it's burned out, we gotta use a plastic bag. When I put in a plastic bag, you leave stay for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you take it out and you clean up. It's really cold today over here. It's freeze. But we gotta stay inside anyway. Can't go no place. We go, but not like you know, everybody know. Yeah, I want to burn over here too. Cause when you take the skin out, you gotta make sure that clean up nice. After you take the skin out, you can wash it with the cold water. Okay, everything. The black skin, make sure it out. You know, I show only one, but on this you can put 3 or 4 or 5 at one time. It's not like you gotta use one at a time. We can use more than one.
Well, if you have electric stove, then you need to put in the oven.
If you got electric stove, use on the pots. You use some of the pots and you do on the pots, it's okay.
Or in the oven.
On the oven, it's all right. You see the skin? Already start to move out. If they see over here, I want to burn over here too like this. It's nice. We burn now a little bit more. It not take long. This 3 to 4 minutes. This it's done. After you put in a plastic bag.
You put oil on the pepper?
No, I don't put oil. You can put oil like this, you know, a little bit oil all the way around. But for me, put the oil, when it starts to burn, is smoke. And I don't want to smoke, because after the alarm it go all over, make a lot of noise, everything like this. But this come out really good like this. You know, you put oil, after the oil it drop inside the stove, it go underneath, everything. And it can start to burn. The oil, everybody know, you gotta watch. It's a danger. Okay, to make sure it's all burned all the way around the pepper. A little bit more over here. Okay. Now, over here, see a little bit over here, underneath. Okay, now we put in a plastic bag over here. We turn the gas off, and I want to show you over here now. Make sure that zip. And this is that one I did it before. That's what it looked like. Look, it's a nice thick pepper. Thank you very much, and we see you again. And thank you for your support, and thank you so much for the stuff. Thank you, and make it like this. It's really good. Thank you.